Welcome to AlphaCars Service Center. My name is Dimitri. Ian is running the camera. Behind me is a beautiful Mercedes SL 230, but that's not the topic of this video. If you want to learn how you can install a front license plate bracket permanently, securely I should say, on your vehicle, check out this video. And the vehicle we're going to use in this video is going to be Bentley Continental GT that we just recently sold. Let's do it together. As you can see on this vehicle, we have the front license plate, which is required in many states, including Massachusetts. And our goal, and this may be why you're watching this video, is how can you install the license plate nicely, legally, without drilling a beautiful bumper off your vehicle. And by the way, this Bentley that we sold, we also did a facelift upgrade. So this is 2005 Bentley, and we installed the fascia from the newer models. I think it's 2011 or 12 or newer, don't quote me on that, but it definitely looks much newer and much more exciting. So the new owner who purchased this vehicle from AlphaCars, they did not want anything to do with drilling the bumper. So we're going to show you what we did, how we did it, and you can do it on, obviously, on the Bentley, but you can also do it on other vehicles that have the grille that has a mashed grille with a decent rigidity. So we're going to start with just going in reverse order. So now we're going to reveal the license plate bracket. So this is the original factory bracket, and normally this mounting pattern, these four hardware pieces, would be even hard to pronounce, not to mention drill. You would have to drill this beautiful bumper and install it right there. And it also takes away from the nice appearance and these body lines. So what we did instead, we found a place where it is on the vehicle. As you can see, it's centered. As you can see, it's leveled vertically. So if you look at this, we checked it with a level and it's nice and vertical. And of course, it follows the line because it's the original license plate frame. It follows the bumper line. And it's mounted substantially, there's not a wiggle here. If you see any wiggle, it's actually you wiggling the grille. So we're going to take the license plate frame off, and it's going to reveal the mounting studs that we implanted, if you will, because the installation is pretty permanent.
Yeah, no zip ties here.
Sure, no zip ties. Yep.
There's a few dropped washers, but no zip ties.
No zip ties. Okay, and there's one more piece of hardware right there. So what you see right here are the heavy-duty stainless steel mounting studs. These stainless steel washers were used as shims to pretty much vertically align and level, I would say, the license plate bracket. And these bushings are initial leveling bushings, that spacers that pretty much keep that away from nicely painted parts. And now if we are to pop this off, you'll be able to see the pieces of hardware. And the bolt was installed from inside. And we did remove the splash shield, but still there is a good amount of space you need to reach. So we installed the bolt in this little simple device that allowed us to bring it from inside and bring it out this way. And then, so the grille is squeezed between metal washer and there's a rubber washer. So there's no metal to grille contact. There's a rubber washer on the inside on both sides. Ian is going to get us close-ups here.
Yeah, you can see the rubber back there, so you could remove this in a day, in a year, and it's going to be like it wasn't there. And like Dimitri said, this you can really do on any vehicle that has the similar grille design. Even if it's honeycomb or spaced differently, you could use different size washers.
Yeah,
So,
and as you can see, this is not like specially manufactured or specially designed pieces of hardware. This is something that you can literally get at a quality hardware store because, well, obviously here we use metric. This is 6mm by 0.8 thread and thread Loctite. You have hoses that you just cut to length, and then you have an awesome system. And the other thing you can do is, yes, you can buy a $300 license plate frame, and that's the best way if you're doing it on a Bentley, but there are also some really good, sturdy aftermarket options that we have used. We could have used it on this vehicle. In fact, I'm going to show you an example. Here's a nice aftermarket example that would work equally as good and would save you $300, and you can buy it from the link that we will provide you. This is an amazing optional aftermarket bracket because you can see, again, it doesn't exactly fit right here right now, but obviously these studs could be placed in any place of the grille and would be aligned with this. And again, if you do want to shape it to the contour of your vehicle bumper, all you need to do is heat this up with a heat gun and then just gently give it a shape and then put it in the cold water and it will stay that way. And then it will pretty much follow your vehicle body line, and then you can just install it. And the other option is if you simply just want to install it and it wouldn't follow the body line, that would work as well. So these are awesome. We use them a lot and they're available from our e-store. So now that you are introduced to a very simple and yet sophisticated and technical way to install a license plate on the front of your vehicle without drilling the bumper, you can do it on your vehicle. And if you do wish to save money and not to spend hundreds of dollars on the factory dealer provided license plate brackets, you can use this one that we have available on our website. So thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope it will be helpful. So not to miss on such exciting content, consider subscribing, consider sharing, and please let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking that like button. Thanks for watching.